Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 15, Air Around Us, and last topic I discussed about the activity 4 to prove that fresh water contains dissolved air. That was activity, and then yesterday I have discussed about to prove that swar contains some amount of air, and then next topic is the why does the amount of oxygen not change in air? Why does the amount of oxygen not change in air? In the previous chapters, you have learnt about photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the plants consume water and carbon dioxide, and then the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight convert it into food and oxygen. And the oxygen so produced is released into air, and from this it does not mean that plants do not need oxygen. They do need oxygen for respiration. Plants are also doing all the activities, and but they produce far more oxygen during photosynthesis. We are getting oxygen from the plants and we are releasing carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide used in the photosynthesis process. So the excess of oxygen produced by the plants is consumed by the animals for their respiration. What oxygen is released from the plants we are using for respiration purpose, and during respiration the carbon dioxide is produced. During respiration the carbon dioxide is produced, and which is food for plants. So you can see that plants and animals are interdependent, and this in turn maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere. So you can see that plants and animals are interdependent, and this in turn maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Next topic is the uses of air. What is the uses of air? The envelope of air, atmosphere, protects all living beings from the effects of harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. What is the uses of air? First use, the envelope of air, that is the atmosphere, protects all living beings from the effects of harmful ultraviolet radiations that is coming from the sun. And moving air helps in the dispersal of seeds and pollen grains of different kinds of plants. And air is compressed in tires of vehicles, which makes their movement smooth. And oxygen and nitrogen are separated from the air. Oxygen is used in hospitals for artificial respiration, and nitrogen is used for making fertilizers needed for agriculture. Fast moving air, that is wind, is used for running windmills, and the windmills are used for drawing underground water, floor mills, and for generating electricity. Fast moving wind helps in the movement of sailing boats and gliders. Wind is a means of travel for all flying birds. Air helps in the transmission of sound. Air helps in the transmission of sound. Without air we can't hear. Without air we can't hear, and it is also useful for wind based musical instruments. So these are the uses of air. And chapter 15, Air Around Us, completed, and this chapter 15, 16, 6 and 13 it will come in annual examination. So I have completed chapter 16, and after PA2 exam you will start writing 15, 6, 6 and chapter 15, 16, 6 and 13. So chapter 15, Air Around Us, completed, and now we will discuss about keywords. Keyword: substance, a material made of only one kind of particles. Components, the path of a mixture. Organism, any kind of living being. Smoke, suspended carbon particles present in air. Gravity, the pull of earth on the bodies. Atmosphere, the envelope of air surrounding the earth. Gases, the gas form of matter. Exchange, mutual change of components or things by two substances. Respiration, the process by which the digested food reacts with oxygen inside the body of an organism with the production of water vapor, carbon dioxide and heat energy. Oxygen, a gas present in air which helps in the burning. Nitrogen, largest volume of gas present in air which does not help in burning. Carbon dioxide, a gas produced by the burning of fuels or respiration by organisms. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants combine carbon dioxide and water to form their food and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Interdependence, the mutual dependence of living organisms on one another for their survival. Fertilizers, a chemical containing nitrogen which acts as food for plants. Pollen, the male gametes of flowering plants which fertilizes the female gametes in the ovary. Roundup, air cannot be seen but we can feel. It occupies any amount of space available and air is present everywhere. It is also present in water and soil. The moving air is called the wind. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, that is a 78%, oxygen, that is a 21%, and other gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, helium, argon, etc., that is the 1%. And oxygen present in air is necessary for combustion and respiration, and the nitrogen present in air is used for making fertilizers. And the envelope of air surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is very essential for life. Aquatic water animals use dissolved oxygen in water for respiration, and plants use carbon dioxide to produce their food and release oxygen. Plants and animals are interdependent and exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen for their survival, and air is useful in a number of ways such as aviation, production of electricity by windmills, water sports, etc. Without air we can't hear sound. It is also useful in wind-based instrument. So this is all about chapter 15, air around us. Chapter 15, air around us, completed, and only exercises remaining, and that I will give you later. And what is the activity is there in that chapter, you will take a revision. So chapter 15, air around us, completed.